What? Hold up, I can't hear you. Alright, I think it's on. Oh, that's so cringe. Look how cringe I look. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, yeah, I have like no energy. I'm tired as fuck. Went to the gym at like 6, 8. Nah, I woke up at 6. Was trying to get like this healthy routine going and shit after my surgery. If you didn't know, I had hip surgery, fracture on my shit. It was fucking broke. It did. It's feeling a lot better. It's still a little tight because they said the scar tissue is like rebuilding or whatever. Because he scraped the fuck out of that shit and then don't know what the fuck that was. He put anchors in my hip. Anyways, I'm feeling a lot better. The brand. We are moving on from the brand. I had a little slump week last week. Had a little party for my birthday. Shit was lit. A bunch of the homies pulled up. But I'm tired as fuck. Did a lot of stupid shit that day. But it was a little refresher to come back to the brand and just focus on working. Have a lot of new shit coming. Working on this pant idea. I'm literally just going with the flow, and I have a certain type of idea that I want to do with it. Not going to be the same type of design that I did with the sand version. If you saw that, I don't know if I'll put a clip of it right here, but it's going to be a lot different. I'm just going to hype it up more because I feel like with the sand shit, I just dropped it out of nowhere and I just didn't build up the fucking hype, but people still copped it. If you copped it, thank you. Fuck with you. I might drop it later on and just hype it up more, but I'm trying to contact my printer. He hasn't texted me back, dog. I feel like I'm talking to a shorty. I'll be calling him later today because I want to get these samples done for t-shirts. I want to get some affordable shit. Well, not affordable, but I mean, not as pricey as like the Carhartt pants that I'm doing with the prints on the crotch and shit. And I just want more shit out there, and I want to start doing like, I don't know if I've been talking about it, but I want to do more of like the Melrose trade post type shit and some of my thrift stuff and brand stuff there, just to get more networking, tap into people, even if they don't cop, just out there, you know what I mean? What else have I been up to? Because today is June 21st, my actual birthday. My 22nd birthday is tomorrow. I'm just gonna kick it at the house because we already had that little party, so just gonna chill, but still working crazy hard. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the black pair of pants I'm gonna do. Don't clown me, I look like I'm all fucking sporty and shit, like I'm gonna run a marathon, go to physical therapy. I have a couple more sessions left for my hip surgery, whatever. These are the black pair. What I'm gonna do, the lighting is fucking, bro. I'm just ugly. It's a little dusty because they were in a box, but recently did this with my printer. Red cross logo down the PP. I'm gonna adjust the cross too. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower so you can see it. Like if you have babe jeans, let me, hold up. If you have babe jeans, here are my babe jeans. They're tight as fuck. I don't know how the fuck they wear these, but like I have to pull them up and it's I think a 30 waist. This shit is so tight. It's more like a 29 or whatever. I don't know how my fucking fat ass fits in that shit. If you see, they have the star logo a little bit lower on the BP because I keep saying PP. Because you could see it better like when you have a shirt on and like if it's lower. So I might just put it lower. It might look off if you see it like in front of you, but if you have it on, it'll cool as shit. But yeah, this is gonna be like a, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, like some like nightmare type theme, like cross logo. Anyways, I have to work on these this week, distress some, sand them down. I don't think I'm gonna put like the paint splatters like I did for the sand colorway. If you want to peep the page, Darkroom Collage. I might slit the side of it so it like goes over your shoe instead of unhemming it. And yeah, they're Carhartt, you know, leather patch right there. But yeah, we're on the things, you know? We on the things. As you can see, they have like those like pocket things. They have like this little belt loop thing on the side of it. Not cargos, but it's cool. But yeah, these are gonna be the next ones. I'm gonna work on these probably tomorrow because I have physical therapy, and then I also do music. It's not ass, so I need to work on music later. I promise you it's not ass. If you want to peep it, check my shit out. You just look up Oscar Tato and you can look up all my music. Yeah, I'm not no SoundCloud fucking rapper. But fuck it, if you want to listen, listen. But if not, fuck with the brand. The brand's fucking going places, you know what I mean? Ugh, I don't even know what else to talk about. Doing that, more drip, t-shirts on the way, ordered hoodies. Alright, what up gang? I got the box right here. Shouldn't be doing this because again, I went through surgery, but fuck it. All the hoodies, except for like a couple of them that people ordered, they were back ordered, so I'm still kind of pissed at the manufacturer for that. Most of them are here. Yeah, so we got the brown hoodies, only few of its kind. Brown colorway, Crocs logo. But, and these came out sexy. Jesus. Crazy, huh? Yeah, anyway, I hate this angle. But, anyways, I have to like crouch down because the angle is shitty. Don't want to move it. Gonna process these orders later today so I can just, ship them fast on Monday. Yeah, get this shit done. Alright, what up? I'm working on the new drop that I'm gonna be having. My bad, I'm listening to music. I'm gonna kind of like distress it. Kind of like what I've been doing with all the other pairs. It's hot as fuck in here, by the way. Anyways, again, we got the Cross logo right on the PP area. Looks tight, new colorway. These pants are a little different. They have like these, it's not pockets, but anyways, they have like these, it's like painter pants or whatever, but they're Carhartt, thick material, authentic, tag, all that shit, Carhartt. Design printed on the other day or the other weekend with my printer. But yeah, I'm gonna sand them down, change that out. I got a paintbrush because I'm gonna try something out and do something new and put like white paint splatters on it. See how that comes out. Knife because I lost my other X-Acto knife to distress it, cut it up and shit. You know, don't play with me because I'll fucking stab you and shit. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Can't see shit. There's the only light I have in the garage. I'm fucking blinded. Do this shit. Probably pull up on your grandma after. Jesus, I'm sweaty. Anyway, finished sanding it with the sander. You can't see it right now, but I'll show you a clip of it within the fucking video, whatever. But now I got a knife. I'm gonna cut this shit up, stab it a couple times, you know, rip it up, just make it distressed, give it my own little sauce on it. But yeah, I'm gonna dive in that bit right now. Head ass. What the fuck? Yo, I need a better fucking knife. I'm gutting these pants right now. It's hot as fuck in the garage. It's hot as fuck in the garage. It's hot as fuck in the fucking garage. I'm just trying to get my money up. Yeah, just trying to get my money up. And do something that I love. Working on my shit, getting my money up. Yo, I need a better knife. Alright, now I got white paint brush. I'm gonna dip it. Really don't know how I'm gonna do this clean, but like sprinkle it all over and shit. Alright, so I finished for the night. Very nice and detailed, you know, white paint. Ooh, and I also distressed this shit too. So like when you're walking, and I'll do like some on body like images and shit later for my Insta. I might wear it just to show like what I was trying to do with that shit. Like it's literally like a leg flap, so like it'll just like flap open type shit, if that makes sense. It'll make sense later, whatever. But yeah, put some white paint splatters all over. I thought it would look dope. I did the back too, but I'm gonna let it, the front dry. But yeah, they came out crazy. Anyway, lit ass progress. I'm fucking cashed out. I'm gonna go knock out. It's the next morning. I just came outside to look at the paint and see if it dried completely. Well, I mean, no shit, it's gonna dry completely. It's been a fucking night. But unhem the bottom too, so it drapes over your shoes better. If I can get the fucking thing. Again, it'll look a lot better after it washes and dries. Let me show you the back too. As you can see, pants came out fucking sexy. All in the back. Like, jeez. Shit will make your bitch wet, I swear. And especially after I put in the wash. Line dry that bitch, oh my god. It's gonna come out tender as fuck. No, but on a serious note, this dress came out A1. Like I said, I thought about all this shit on the go. Like, I don't even know. I don't even go buy a design. Just go on what I think will look cool, what I've seen in the fucking past, all that shit. But, yeah, we're gonna throw this bitch in the washer. So, don't join the bandwagon late as fuck. If you do, fuck you. No, I'm joking. But, yeah, if you're here from the start, I fuck with you heavy.